Oh, is it videoing? Say hi, Lexi. Say hi. Say
Oh, Daddy's torturing me. Oh, wait till his grandpa sees this. Oh.
He likes the pool. No matter
He really loves the pool, but it's a bit cold. It's just colder than he's used to. But we were hoping he'd warm up for once he got used to it.
Yeah. Yes, that's a boy. Yeah.
Okay, once you get into it, it's fine. Bring yourself up.
It's not that cold.
It's alright. It's a bit colder in than when you just touch it.
You think? That could be a big shot to say it's not that cold because I'm not going in.
Oh, now he seems better. Yes. Okay. Now he seems better.
Yeah, there's a good
Yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can't sit like this for this long.